Welcome to Recipharm in Brescia, a site that stands out for its long experience and expertise in sterile beta-lactams manufacturing. Located in Italy, the site boasts over 40 years of experience and the capacity to manufacture over 60 million sterile units per year and 6 million oral solids packs per year. Serving over 40 markets, we have manufactured nearly 200 commercial products. Specializing in the manufacturing of parenteral products, our facility excels in producing sterile dry powder penicillin and cephalosporin. Additionally, the site is equipped to handle oral solids and liquids for penicillins, supporting batch sizes up to 40,000 vials, with a fill range from 250 milligrams to 40 grams in dry powder vials. Recipharm in Brescia adheres to the highest quality standards and has been inspected and approved by AIFA, EU-GMP, and the FDA. The site is also accredited according to the Environmental Management System ISO 14001 and the Occupational Health and Safety Management System ISO 45001. Our unique capabilities in beta-lactam antibiotics manufacturing span over a wide range of applications, from clinical to commercial manufacturing in various formats. At our site, we employ a strategic approach that allows us to streamline regulatory processes, eliminating unnecessary complexities, and expedite the path to market. In Brescia, we have the infrastructure to provide sterile fill and finish for a variety of different primary packaging types to meet the stability requirements of sensitive products in all ICH climates. This ensures we can meet the needs of all beta-lactam companies. In our quality control labs, we offer separate areas for penicillins and cephalosporins. Our extensive services include chemical and microbial testing, stability testing, in-process control, analytical method transfer, development, and many more. Our services are designed to deliver reliable results, no matter the size of your company or the complexity of your project. We have built our reputation on a diverse range of state-of-the-art capabilities, seamless technology transfers, and scalable capacity to protect and maximize the potential of your product.